Camp Zama and Family and Morale, Welfare and Recreation recently celebrated the opening of its new Warrior Zone, a leisure facility for the Better Opportunities for Single Soldiers program, or BOSS, with a ribbon-cutting ceremony at the installation's Community Recreation Center.
I'm pleased to welcome you to our newly constructed Warrior Zone. The goal of this Warrior Zone is to provide a state-of-the-art multi-purpose facility designed to provide opportunities for soldiers to socialize and to interact with their peers and friends around the globe.
The new Warrior Zone offers single soldiers access to a wide range of electronic media, including a movie theater, various video game consoles, and personal computers. In addition, there are billiards and air hockey tables, darts, and other recreational equipment available for the patrons.
It's a good area for them to come and socialize with other soldiers that's here at TDY, and also our co-op soldiers, ground self-defense soldiers. They're able to come and use the facility also.
Previous Warrior Zone was located inside Building 533, one of Camp Zama's oldest buildings. It was once used as a study hall for Japanese military cadets when the Imperial Army Academy was located on the installation.
Personally, I feel like this new facility is a great opportunity. It's been renovated, it's been revitalized to better suit a more modern technology and modern needs for the single soldiers now.
It's definitely something that's going to bring more morale to all our service members out here who are far away from their loved ones and that kind of stuff. So it gives them somewhere they can kind of go and get their mind off things so they don't have to sit and stare at the same four walls in their room.
The Camp Zama Warrior Zone is open Tuesday through Thursday from noon to 9 p.m., Friday from noon to 10 p.m., and Saturday from 1 to 10 p.m. Access will be limited to the back entrance after 7 p.m. and on Saturdays. Reporting for U.S. Army Garrison Japan, this is Dustin Perry.